Today I'll show you how to upload a folder in Google Colab. Now you can do this in two ways. First, you can mount your Google Drive using the following code. Execute the cell, and a prompt will appear asking you for a Google account authentication. After authorizing, you will see a confirmation that the drive is mounted. You can use Python to navigate to the specific folder you want to upload. And if you want to copy the folder to Colab's environment, use the !CP command. Now if you want to upload files from your PC, open Google Colab on the left sidebar, click on the Files tab. Click the upload button, then select the folder as a zip file from your computer. After the folder is uploaded, it will appear in Colab's file browser. If the folder is compressed, you need to unzip it, using the unzip command. Once extracted, you can list its contents to verify the upload. If you're using Google Drive, ensure your files and folders are well structured in Google Drive for easy access. Always check the folder path before mounting and ensure it matches what's in your drive. If you run into issues where the drive won't mount, double check permissions or try remounting with a different Google account. Deeply nested folders can result in long file paths, which might cause errors. Keep your folder path simple. If you're working on large datasets, you can upload a compressed version of your folder, then uncompress it within Colab. Before uploading the files from your computer, compress the folder into a zip file, since Colab doesn't support direct folder upload. Google Colab limits file uploads to 100 MB, so keep files smaller, or use Google Drive for larger datasets. Uploading large files might result in a timeout. Break them into smaller chunks, or use Drive if you encounter this issue. Uploading new versions of files with the same name can overwrite existing files, so be cautious. For larger projects, Google Drive is preferred to prevent upload limits and ensure scalability. For quick tasks or testing small files, direct uploads from your PC work fine.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.